Inside the Mind of a Day Trader, episode 8. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode. Hopefully, everybody is doing well. December 23, we are coming up on Christmas, so happy holidays. Christmas in 2 days now. Market is off that day as well on Wednesday. So, going to go over the trade that I took today. Definitely going to trade a lot lighter this week and be a lot more on the sidelines just due to price action being a lot slow with the New Year's approaching, and obviously we have a holiday this week as well. So definitely recommend being a lot more slow and de-risking this week. But going to cover the trade that I took today, went 1-for-1 on Tesla, and also that is pretty much that. But going to cover the S&P 500 real quick. I remember a couple episodes after FOMC, once we had that pretty large dip to the downside, we can see the S&P is starting to recover, right? Is starting to recover a good amount and getting back closer to that 600 level. So definitely going to be on the lookout for that. But here is the setup that was taken today. The initial thought of the setup was alerted out to the Discord, but in terms of the actual signal, I did not alert it out just because, like I said, I just wanted to play it a lot slower this week and de-risk due to the slow price action as well as you can see. So that was that, but this trade was taken off of a higher time frame supply that we had on Tesla. So I'm on the 1 minute time frame right now. I'll switch over to the 5 minute and go back over to exactly where we were, which is right here. So as we can see, we have a pretty noticeable supply right here. First, starting right here, right? We have a pretty strong high that was created and then a strong move that was created to the downside, right? Obviously indicating large amounts of sellers supply, right? So that's initially where it was created, and then you can also see we had similar movements to the downside once we obviously did get those retracements. Now that's what I was looking for, right? That's what I was eyeing, and obviously you can see that I got a good amount of that move. Honestly, a pretty nice move, right? If anything. So switching back over to the 1 minute time frame, this trade I was in for honestly a good amount of time, right? Just due to the slow price action, which has been, expected, and also something we've been dealing with just this whole December. Definitely not going to be the case going into New Year's though, but you can see we had heavy consolidation, but finally after that consolidation, we finally broke down and initially had those large amounts of selling orders be inputted, right? Which is what I was expecting. So definitely glad the trade worked out in my direction. You can see here this black line, or it was right about around here. Where is it? If I can get my line out. So right around here is where I started to take my first initial profits, lock in some profits on that position, and then obviously just as the trade continues to move in my direction, start taking more profits. Down here, we had a little bit of a smaller demand zone bullish order block, so that is where I took my initial main profits on this position, and after that, I only had runners only. So that was that, and then after we broke back above this black line here, which is also a bearish fair value gap, as you guys can see right here, once we broke back above that line, I exited the rest of my position, which I only just had runners left at that point. But like I said, price action was just slow. It was approaching market close, and I just wanted to be sure that I wasn't giving back any profits to the market. But that was the trade that was taken for today. 1-for-1. Like I said, price action was just honestly, we obviously made some magic happen, but this whole December, it's definitely just been a whole roller coaster. But going into the New Year's, definitely going to be expecting some amazing opportunities. But other than that, I hope you guys found some value from this episode. Per usual, if you guys have any questions or whatever the case may be, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. If you guys aren't in the Discord as well, definitely click the link in the description for completely free and join, and I will see you guys inside there. But other than that, have a great day, night, evening, whatever the case may be, and I'll see you guys next episode.